Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to schedule a rental increase or decrease for an existing lease. To get started, just go over to the Contacts tab and locate the tenant that you are wanting to schedule the rental increase or decrease. In this case, we'll do Bruce B's lease. We'll go to the Leases tab, and once it pulls up the active leases, we'll select more details. If the tenant only has one lease, by default, it will show just that active lease. In this case, this tenant has both active and prior leases at different properties. So we'll select the Leases tab and we'll select the three dot actions menu next to the active symbol here for this particular lease. And this rental increase or decrease is going to be associated with this specific lease at this specific property. And we can go ahead and select rent increase or decrease. From here, it is going to pull up what the current rental amount is. It is going to pull up the current rent schedule, which is monthly, as well as the due date on the lease. And it's going to default to a percentage for the rental increase or decrease option. And you have the option to select rental increase or a rental decrease in the event that your lease has those built into it. Now, keep in mind, using this tool is not necessarily recommended when doing a lease renewal. We have a different video that walks you through how to do a lease renewal. This tool is typically used by landlords who have rental increases or decreases built into an existing lease. So, that being said, if you want to go ahead and schedule a rent increase or decrease as part of an existing lease, simply enter in the percentage that is going to increase by, and it will show you what the new rental amount is going to be. From here, you'll have the option to select the date that this new rental rate is going to take effect. In this case, this one is going to take effect on April 1st. And from here, you'll just want to select Confirm Rent Increase. You have successfully scheduled a rent increase. You can change or cancel it at any time by modifying the settings. Click OK, got it. And if you scroll down here on the Lease tab, you're going to see the rental increase as scheduled listed right here. In the event that you want to change this or cancel it, simply select the little gear wheel icon, and then you can modify this or cancel the rent increase altogether, in which case you can select yes, I'm sure, and that will cancel the rent increase. And if you want to go back in and do it again, simply start from the beginning and select the three dot button menu, click rent increase decrease, and you're right back into the rental increase decrease tool. And that is how easy it is to schedule a rental increase or decrease on TenantCloud. To get started for free, simply go to www.tenantcloud.com and click sign up today.